Hi guys, welcome back to another new video. So few days back I have made a video about the BlackBerry App Store um, because some of them actually having issue with BlackBerry App Store. So now after 4th, what happened after 4th? So as you know, BlackBerry already shut it down all of their services. So there were rumored that the phone will not work properly, like it will not connect to the Wi-Fi, or you cannot use the SIM card or other things. But not that at all. You still can use your SIM card and use your internet and use your Wi-Fi, browse and everything you can do. Just you cannot use any more BlackBerry related things like BlackBerry store. It's like BlackBerry World. So if I go to BlackBerry World, it will open the world, but you cannot download anything. It will say like cannot connect, there will be some error. As you can see, still I can browse the BlackBerry World and it will show everything is there. Probably you can see here, so it will show the app and other things, but you can't really download them anymore. But the main thing is that still you can use this device as a dummy phone, like a feature phone. So you will get the functionality of a call and text message, and also you can use browser, like I have already downloaded UC browser and Opera Mini browser here. So I don't think you can download UC browser anymore, but you can download Opera Mini from using the browser from here. You just type m.operamini.com, then it will open the operamini.com. So if you search this link, then you can download the Opera Mini. So it will suggest you the proper Opera Mini for this device. So you can download as you can see, it's showing that device detected BlackBerry 9900, and you can download Opera Mini, also Opera Mini 8 and Opera Mini 4.5. I think both of them will work properly. And also you can download, I think, UC browser, but there is no luck. I don't know. I have downloaded this browser from BlackBerry World. I couldn't find it from other site. So it doesn't support any touch, but you can use your trackball and other things like that. So it works fine. You can download everything, song, music and everything. You can still listen to the music and browse YouTube and other things here. It's still possible, it's still working, so there is no issue with that. So as far as my one is going, so still I can make calls and send text messages, and Wi-Fi is working just fine, and other services just I cannot use anymore BlackBerry ID, BVM and also BlackBerry World. So that's the main thing, just because they already shut it down their BlackBerry website. So without BlackBerry ID you can't use actually BVM and the BlackBerry World. Because of that actually BlackBerry World and other things are not working. But no concern, you can buy this device as a dummy phone, as a voice call and text message. This phone actually very excellent, and you can use it still regularly because it has excellent battery life, and also it's so much fun to use this phone. And I have so many games here. Mainly I play games on this device actually. So let me show you something. So this is iPhone 4s, both of them actually released 2011. So still you can use this device, and still you can have apps and other things. And actually I don't know why they shut down the BlackBerry World and other things. They can still keep those things, but anyway they already shut it down, so there is nothing to do. So the main concern is that still you can use this device. So this is not you can use it as an MP3 player or MP4 player. Still you can take photos and do something. So there is no concern about that. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.